Nowadays, a popular project is to transition a garage into a fill-in-the-blank type space. It's a really versatile room and can be whatever you want it to be, and it isn't anchored down to just a living room for your car. It could be a game room, a gym, a sports bar. The point is, it's every homeowner's free-to-play with room, and just like the rest of your home, you really need to delve into some thought about how you want it laid out. Consider the flooring, for example. Your kitchen, bathroom, living room, and bedrooms all have specific flooring that works best with each room's needs, and the garage is no different. An unfinished concrete slab is dusty and absorbs spills and stains frequently. The least expensive option is to go with a translucent or solid latex stain. Now these stains seal the concrete and give a more consistent look. Staining will typically cost between $2 to $4 a square foot. At just about $1 per square foot, you could go with concrete paint. But the big downfall here is paint isn't that durable and just really won't cut it against hot tires or chemicals for very long. A two-part epoxy coating is more expensive than stains and is also more durable. Most epoxy kits include decorative chips that you can embed right into the wet finish. This adds character and it hides the dirt. Really, a good two-part epoxy coating will cost you anywhere from $3 to $7 per square foot. Now the easiest but one of the more expensive options is to go with rubber or vinyl tiles. They don't require any adhesive, instead they just kind of interlock like a puzzle. Most of them are pretty heavy duty and hard to gouge, making them perfect for gyms or workshops. And depending on what kind of tiles you need, you could spend anywhere from $3 to $8 per square foot. Installing carpet is a great way to prevent dirt from being tracked in your house. It's fairly inexpensive, it only needs a bit of carpet tape to hold down. You could use glue, but it'll make it difficult to remove if you ever plan on replacing it, and let's face it, you most likely will over time. But what you can do is actually just put carpet on the outside trim of your garage to give yourself a little walking space. Most homeowners will pay around $3 to $11 a square foot for carpet installation. So I hope we're able to point you in the right direction. We'll be posting videos like this each week to help you get a better idea of what's out there before you make any big purchases for your home. And if you haven't already, check out our website, todayshomeowner.com. If you have an issue with your home, we've likely got a solution for it. And if we don't, let us know and we'll make it happen.